more carrots. Don't tear it. More.
Hello guys, सभी का स्वागत है. This is Shusai. Welcome back to our channel. So guys, in this video we are going to see some of the more turtle Python turtle images. So now we are going to see a simple house using Python turtle. Let's see now. And the thing guys, I already uploaded our previous video source code into our website bit.do/nobi. Hope you tried it, or else you try now. If you get any doubt or if you get any problem in those codes or source codes, source codes, you can ping me on Instagram, or else you can comment in the comment section. I will be reply you as soon as possible. So guys, let's go into the video. So guys, as we come to our house using Python turtle, so first we have to import the necessary libraries, right? Necessary libraries or necessary modules. So we are importing the turtle, and then we are importing the time. So it will be in further uses. I will tell you where it will be used. So next we are importing the house. House is a model which was written by me. It contains different functions. Okay. Now let's see for. So I'm importing the total function from house, importing star. So I'm importing the all functions in the house module. Okay. The house.py was written by me, and also think that the module which we are going to use or which being used or will be in the same folder. It means that house.py and h.py will be in the same folder, then it will work. While coming to next, we are naming our turtle here. Pen equals to turtle function. So we are naming the turtle. Yeah, pen is user defined. We can use instead of pen we can use any other variable or any other word. Or so next we are setting up our turtle. So I'm setting the turtle speed is 100, and next I'm giving the color for the turtle. I gave turtle color in the form of RGB. Setting the screen of turtle by initializing some variable called wn. So I want to give that some background color for that screen. So I'm using the bg color function for giving the background color. So let's start drawing from this. So guys, we have almost all 10 to 20 functions, right? So let's do one thing. Let we execute one by one. So let's see for the grass. Chalo, let's execute this code. We are hiding, we are commenting all all other functions. So let's execute this h.py. So it should print only grass, right? So it is only drawing the grass. Now let's see for another function. Okay, we are drawn only grass, right? So let's draw house also. It's a simple. Okay, give me 1 minute. Okay, chalo. Let's execute this code again once. So it is drawing only rectangle and triangle on the rectangle. So it is looking like somewhat house, right? It is home or house, right? So now let's see, let's add some windows, doors for it. So guys, actually when I am giving this function, when we are compiling or when we are executing this h.py, then it is interpreted into this draw.house, right? So when it is comes to the draw.house, then the code in the draw.house will be executed. Give me 1 minute, I will show you. Yeah, draw.house, draw house function will be executed, right? So this is the code will be executed in the background. This by using function, just we are using this function, and then it searches in the house module and it directly execute this code. So guys, next let me add windows to our house. So okay, up to doors. So we are adding the windows, 4 windows for our house structure. So window, by giving the different xy coordinates, circle, square, it will be based on the requirement. Like I will show you, draw window. So here we are giving the shape, right? Okay, if the shape is square, it will print, or else it will print the square. So we are using only 2, square and circle, right? So I didn't write the code for the circle. Instead of I didn't use the condition for the circle. Instead of that, I used the else function, sorry, else statement. Okay, and I'm using the draw door function, which is used to draw. It will be here. Okay, I think so. Okay, here. So this code will be executed in the background. Okay, let's see. So let's execute this code. H.py. So here we can see that it is printing, it is drawing the two square based windows and one circle based window, because we have given four square windows and one is circle window, and it is drawing and door, that we have used the door function to execute it. So here, okay, sorry. So here we can see that draw door for using the drawing the door. Sorry. In total, we can see that it is drawing only four squares, right? So we are given only four squares, so it is drawing four squares, and we are given only circle, so it is drawing only circle. So now let's see for the bush. Bush is nothing but it is grass. So now we are executing the bush function, which is used to print the bush. I mean, it is used to draw the bush. These were the coordinates x and y in the total. I mean, in the total screen, the coordinates are x and y. It is represented by x and y. So here we are giving the direct values, so 140 and 1 minus 65. So let's see the execution for the bushes. So here we can see that it is almost all drawing the total functions what we are given. It is drawn two bushes, right? One is here and another one is here. So let's see for the next functions, next improvements in this. For every house there will be some sun, clouds in the sky. It will be some, there will be some sun, clouds, right? So for printing the for drawing the sun, we are using the draw sun function. C large is nothing but which is used to draw the clouds, large clouds. So I wrote this code in this. Hope you will. Okay, here you can see that draw small, draw C small, which is used to draw the cloud small cloud, and draw C large, which is used to draw the cloud large. I mean big cloud. So let's do one thing. Okay. So we are chosen the three large clouds, one sun, and one small cloud, right? Let's see for this execution. So let's do it. So it is perfectly drawing those functions which we are given. So bush is completed. Now it is printing the, sorry, it is drawing the sun and also two large clouds. We can see in the top of the house, and one is behind the, sorry, behind, not behind, in front of sun. So let's see for the next functions. Let's try to draw the fence or fence doors or etc etc etc. Let's see for those functions. Oh, sorry. I forgot to say that the house will also have some path, right? From the door to the gate, we will have some path to walk in or walk out. So we are using the draw path function for drawing the draw path. So next we are using the fence. Okay, let's execute for the path. Now next let's see for the fence. So here you can see that it is printing almost all total functions which we given here. So it is also drawn the path from the door to the gate. Let's try to draw the fence with gate. So now let's see for draw fence function, which is used to draw the fence. So now let's execute this thing. So here we can see that it is drawing perfectly. So let's see, let's wait for the fence. So here we can see that it is printing the fence, and it is drawing, sorry, it is drawing the fence with some gate. Here we can, in the middle of the fence, we can see that it is like some structured gate, right? So something is missing. There is no fence from sides, right? Chalo, let's draw fences for side left side and right side for the house. So we are using the fence border, which is used to draw the fence sides. Just now, before the 10 minutes of recording this video, I wrote this code to look good turtle image. So this is the function which we going to execute, which is going to execute. So let's see for this thing. Okay, let me do one thing. Let's take a name message function also and try to this execute this code. So I'm giving the name message, the name message function, which is used to print the name which we are giving, which user is giving input in such variable. Then the variable will be passed to the name function, so it will print the those text in the turtle screen. So let's see. I wrote a subscribe to Allesh Yusai. So guys, don't forget to subscribe Allesh Yusai. If you like this video, don't forget to like and share the video link with your friends. Hope this video will be helpful for your improving your turtle skills. So guys, let's see for this execution. Okay, hope it works maybe. So I kept speed of the turtle is 100, right? So it is drawing the speed is so fast. Then so let's here we can see that it is also drawing the fence border, which we can see like some large font, sorry, large size line. And also we gave the message which we have to print on the screen. So I give the subscribe to Allesh Yusai. So don't forget to subscribe to Allesh Yusai. So it is drawing the subscribe to Allesh Yusai on the turtle screen. And one thing guys, I'm going to upload this host.py and h.py. Hope you will try. I'm going to upload these two source codes to in a bit.do/nobi our website. Hope you will try. If you get any problem or any error in this code, ping me on Instagram, or else you can comment in the comment section, or else you can ping me on LinkedIn. I will be giving the LinkedIn and Instagram link in the description, and also I'm giving the website link in the description. Hope you will be trying those codes. So guys, hope you like this video. I think you will like this video, so don't forget to give the thumbs up to our video, and please share the video link with your friends. It's like a growing together with friends, like something else, right? So please share the video link with your friends, and the main thing is don't forget to share and subscribe to our channel. So guys, milte हैं next video में with another turtle. Bye bye. Okay, before bye, I want to say you one thing. If you want me to draw anything like some cartoon, you can ping me on, only comment in the comment section. Don't ping me on Instagram. Okay guys, bye.